Morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Why only 18 students?
Ma'am, your net is not okay.
My net is not okay. Okay, wait.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes? Wait.
ma'am, ma'am, I can hear your voice.
সদায় এনেকুৱা হৈ যায় ন সদায় Okay, student, can you hear my voice properly now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why 18 students? What happened to the others? How many of you students you have in Tears diploma? Total number of students?
48, ma'am.
48 students. Then why 19 students present?
Ma'am,
Yes.
uh, around 49 student, ma'am, only few of them used to present. Maximum 20, 30 something they used to present.
So it will be very, you will face problem, okay? Because if you don't have 75% attendance, you will be not allowed to give your exams.
Yeah, ma'am, but
It will
some student they don't understand.
create problems later.
But Carly is giving in the group also message, but some student they only means
Yeah,
they
because I was thinking of giving you the MCQ questions today because your sessional examinations will be taken in this month. So I was thinking to give you the MCQ so that it will help you. But if very less number of students present in the class, then they will face problem in the examinations also, na? Because they will not know what questions will come.
yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, Carly already sent in group message, but they only means they don't have responsibility.
Okay, if they are not serious about their studies, so what can we do, right?
Yeah.
Okay, please write down some MCQs. These are the MCQs will given in your sessional exams and your final exams also. Please write it down. Write down the first question. MCQ, multiple choice questions. First of all, you write down the question, then you give four options. Okay, A, B, and C. I will tell you the options. First, write down the question, then I will tell you the options. Mm. Okay, first question is the SI unit of liquid pressure is. The SI unit of liquid pressure is. Option A, Newton. Option A, Newton. Option B, meter square. Option C, Pascal. Option D, none of the above. Okay, did you write down the first question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Do you know the answer? Here. Do you know the answer of the first question? It's horrible and your voice is buffering a lot.
Meter,
Meter square.
meter square.
Meter square? Are you sure?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, unit of liquid pressure is not meter square.
Ma'am,
Pascal.
Yes, yes,
is it Pascal?
yes,
Pascal.
yes, it is Pascal. Okay, next question.
Tell me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. So,
What is your question? I can't hear you properly.
I will write in the.
Okay, okay, write down your question in the chat box. Ma'am, I thought SI unit of pressure in Newton per meter cube. Is it same as Pascal? Yes, it is same as Pascal. Carly, it is same as Pascal. Okay, write down the next question. Pressure equal to pressure equal to option A. Pressure equal to option A, force per distance or force divided by distance. Option A, force divided by distance. Force divided by distance. Option A, force divided by distance. Option B, force divided by area. Option A, B, force divided by area. Option C, force divided by time. Option D, none of this. What should be the correct answer? Ma'am,
Hello,
can you, yes?
ma'am. Can you please repeat the questions?
Okay. So the question is pressure equal to option A, force divided by or force per distance. Force divided by distance. Option A, force divided by distance. Option B, force divided by area. Option C, force divided by time. Option D, none of this. Option D, none of this. So what should be the correct answer? Which option is correct? Yes?
Option B.
Yes, yes. Option B is correct. Force divided by area. Okay, student, write down the marks. For the first question, mark is 1, and for this question, mark is 2. Okay, for the first question, mark is 1. For the second question, it is 2 marks question.
Ma'am, only in a seasonal exam, it's going to conduct MCQ and no other question.
See, for online examinations we can only give you MCQs, right? For online you cannot give you optional questions. So if the for the first sessional exam the university will not open, right? That's why the first sessional examinations will be taken in online mode as MCQ questions, but for the other examinations, if the university reopen, then it will be it will not be MCQ questions.
Ma'am, MCQ only better because we need to type again in small mobile.
Yeah,
It's difficult.
for online examinations, only MCQ questions will be there.
Yeah,
For
that's good.
offline examinations, it will be different. When you come to the university, the offline examinations will be in different process. But for online examinations, only MCQ questions. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, yeah, understood.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Going to in
Yes. Yes.
the exam on in
What is your question again? Is the exam 16 divided by 11? I'm not sure about that. The date is not yet confirmed.
Ma'am, this physics MCQ is going to be 20 marks.
Yeah. For the first sessional examinations, it will be 20 marks.
Yeah.
Salin, what does MCQ question mean? MCQ mean multiple choice question. You have to choose the correct option. Okay, write down the third question.
Ma'am, I haven't got the second question.
Again, the second question is pressure equal to. So the options are, first option is number A option is force divided by distance. Number B is force divided by area. Number C is force divided by time. And the option D is none of this. Option B is the correct one, which is force divided by area. Okay?
Ma'am, that is question number 2.
Yeah, that is question number 2.
And what about number 1?
Number 1, you did not get the number 1.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll repeat again. So the number 1 question is the SI unit of liquid pressure is. The SI unit of liquid pressure is. Option A, the Newton. Option A is Newton. Option B is meter square. Option C is Pascal. Option D is none of this. For the first question, option C is correct. The correct answer is Pascal.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, write down the third question. What is the unit of the SI unit of atmospheric pressure is? Third question is the SI unit of atmospheric pressure is.
What is?
At the SI unit of atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. The SI unit of atmospheric pressure is. Options are same as the first question. Newton, meter square, Pascal, and none of this. Options are same as question number 1. For the third question, options are same as the first question, which are Newton, meter square, Pascal and none of this.
Meter square.
No. For any kind of pressure, the unit is always same. It will be Pascal also, because the question may be tricky. It may confuse you, but for pressure, the unit is always Pascal. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I cannot get you, ma'am.
Yes. What is it?
Third number question, ma'am.
Third number question. Okay, the SI unit of atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure spelling ATMOS PHERIC. Atmospheric ATMOSPHERIC. Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. The SI unit of atmospheric pressure is. Options are Newton, meter square, Pascal, and options D is none of this. Okay, so option C would be correct answer. It is Pascal. Okay, write down the fourth question. For the third question also total mark is 2. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fourth question is, which one of the following is a property of fluid? Which one of the following is a property of fluid?
Which one of the following property is fluid?
Which one of the following is a property of fluid? First one is height. First option is height. Second option is shape. Second option is shape. 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 First option is height. Second option is shape. Third option is viscosity. Third option is viscosity. Third option is viscosity. Last option is all of them. Last option is all of them. Which one is correct?
जी मैं
Ma'am, viscosity.
Yes. Third option is correct, viscosity. This is a 1 mark question, huh? Okay. Next question. What is the unit of trust? What is the unit of trust? Trust. THRUST. Trust. What is the unit of trust? Option A, Pascal. Option A, Pascal. Option B, Newton. Option B, Newton. Option C, meter square. Option C, meter square. Option D, kg per meter. Option D, kg per meter. Okay, what is
Ma'am,
the correct answer? Yes?
Newton, ma'am.
Yes, Newton. Yes, correct. Option B is the correct one, Newton. Okay, then give me your attendance.
Ma'am, how many marks? 1 mark, na?
Last one? Yes, last one, 1 mark question. Only the second question is a 2 marks question, okay? Others 1 marks question.
Ma'am, the only tricky question is for 2 mark question.
No, no, that one is 1 marks question because you have to choose only the unit, na? That's why.
Ma'am, on number 3, you said not 2 marks because it's tricky.
I said 2 marks.
Yeah. Number
Okay.
3.
Okay, okay. Then 2 marks. If I said so. Okay, those who were absent today, please give them the questions also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you everyone.